So the kids are back and they love Miss Kelly more than ever, right?
Yep, the best dog trainer in the world.
And the easy bake oven that we got already broke.
Yes.
Anyway, what we've got, and we've already done a full-length feature, but who knows when that's going to get up, is a dog that, no, don't pet him, is already defaulting to this down, and I'm going to tell you what I'm defaulting. All right, only give it to him down there, though. Give it to him down there. No, not yet, not yet. Until he does it. Stay still. Here, give it to him, And I know you're saying, well, why don't you say down this, that, and the other? You create default behaviors in dogs. I'll tell you what did that, then they just do it on their own. It's a lot more convenient, Summer will tell you. Anyway, so Georgie, what about your helicopter? Did it break too?
No, it's just the blades. They got little holes in them and it won't cut the air right. But I've been practicing so well, it'll just fly straight up.
Are you sure it won't cut the air right, or Georgie can't fly it right?
I can fly it right. It's just that every time I crash it, the blades get on.
Crash it?
I crashed it sometimes, and I've been chasing my sister with it because she's terrified of it.
It sounds pretty cool.
Cheyenne's terrified of it?
Yeah, I've been chasing.
Right, he tries
to get into her hair.
He tries to chop you up.
Terrified.
Look, here we go. Get it. No, don't come on it. Don't come on. Go down that way. The bump goes, and he starts chasing.
Bump. Bump. Bumpers. Oh.
No, don't run, honey. Don't run. Reggie! Hope you got that. Good. Nailed it. That's how we resolve. I don't let them chase anything. Ignore Cheyenne. Reggie! That's a little game that dogs have called tug of war. And I am going to do the Nick if he does it again. You are the best child actor ever. Stay over here by me, though. Well, but that's... Hey! So we got a lot of crowding and a lot of growling.
No, I seen
Salty! I want it to be like football, you guys. I want her to see an opening. It's not as easy as we think. Ignore it. No, don't jump around. Reggie! Go over there by Summer, and we'll get Reggie.
Reggie?
Towards her.
Oh.
You stand a little bit in front, Cheyenne, so we can see you in the video. No, nachos. Just getting it. He's gonna try to jump on her, and I'm gonna get him.
Sometimes dogs want to get in touch with their
Inner self.
yes, and their humans. And they
All right, whatever you do, Cheyenne, don't wave that sweatshirt around where he can see it.
and there's
I'll show you what the problem is. Let me see this thing.
there's also
He sees this thing waving around. You're gonna have a problem.
also an area of wolf in all these dogs.
You're very right, Reggie. You're very, very right.
And mother, and whatever it is,
Walk down that way, Cheyenne.
that's what they're gonna choose to be.
Don't do that, Georgie. I don't want your fingers sticking out towards them. Come back, Cheyenne. Don't go that way alone.
Come back.
Watch out, though. No, don't run. Don't run by the dogs. Don't run by the dogs. How absolutely perfect. All right, guys. Well, that's our trailer for our full-length episode. But that's a lot of what we are. All right, don't have your arms down like a binder. Oh, you precious, precious little man. If I created a dog that defaulted to every behavior we wanted, I would be the greatest trainer ever. Bye, guys.
Bye. Have a good night with your dog.
Like on the Beverly Hillbillies, remember how they waved?